Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, chrome wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.